So this is the day when you get that little smudge on your forehead and it's supposed to somehow prove you're a Christian because you've got dirt on your face, but that's totally not the case. I don't think Jesus wants us to walk around with dirt on our face to prove we're a Christian. He doesn't want to stay on the outside of us. He wants to get inside of us. And so while the ashes are important, the Eucharist is more important because you are what you eat. And if you truly are what you eat, you're going to have to realize you would never have someone you don't like inside of you. And that is going to be the true opportunity for this Lenten season, to say to yourself, do I like Jesus enough? Do I love him enough that I want him dwelling in me? Because if he's dwelling in me, then I've got to show that on the outside. You see, I think a lot of people are challenged by Jesus' message because he's going to tell us the truth. He's going to tell us the truth that, first of all, we're not perfect, we're not God, and guess what, folks? To dust you came, and to dust you will return. And that type of humility is shocking to this world because we all want to be perfect. And with high-definition cameras as well as graphics, I can even make myself look taller. But the truth is, Jesus says, you're not that tall. But guess what, Leo? I still love you anyway. And this season of Lent gives us the chance to admit, guess what? I'm not awesome. I'm not perfect. I'm not even good sometimes. But God loves me anyway. And if I love him enough, I'm going to want him inside of me. And guess what that's going to mean? If he's truly inside of me, if I'm going to allow him to come more deeply into my life, then that's going to have to change me somehow. And that's what this Lenten season is for. And despite my absolute unworthiness, he loves me, and he wants me to be better. And you know what? That's what's going to show up on the outside. Not dirt on your face, but maybe a little change, a little slight change here and there, and says, I want to be better because I've got Jesus truly in my life, inside